their messages, and afterwards they will be proposing a wine toasting. So wine is scientifically fermented. It is associated with the relationship of Jojan and of course Alessandro Lay. That hopefully, like the wine, as it is aged, it is tastier, and hopefully the relationship of Jojan and Alessandro Lay will be, of course, the same with the wine. Magkadugay, magkatanlas, magkalami. So let's hear words coming from the maid of honor. We have, of course, Ronaline Tabar.
Hi everyone, maayong hapon. Before I start, let me build my credibility and introduce myself. I'm Ronaline Tabar, Rona for short, a close friend to the bride and a friend to the groom, I presume. College is when me and Alex friendship started. So, dali pagkastorya, this is a more than a decade friendship. Started at the very first day of college when the bride's extroverted in nature invited me to join for lunch. That was exactly June 10, 2013. The day that also started the adventure that gets into our teenage years and now navigating to adulthood. I've been a constant witness in her love life, how she has been in love, ni asa, being manipulated, being hurt, and lastly, how was being destroyed. But now, we are here to celebrate the greatest love Alex and Joe has. I was never a friend who nags her to break up, not until the guy who destroyed her character and her worth. Visited her during lockdown nga mag-bike with quarantine pass from Mambaling to Lao para lang mga white kay nadyo dyan nabuhat ato nga time. Naabot sa point nga I always drag her sa akong mga lakaw and get together sa barkada. Then, there they meet Joe. It started after the restriction during the pandemic slowly lifted, dragging her along to the beach trip, and that is in Hinatilan, where they started their love story. Technically, building her up to the friends of mine, that is with Joe. So, after pila ka weeks, niana na siya nako, Michacha, masyuk ba kuno ko? Nga nang masyuk man siya nga. Muna ito kay, pila ka weeks after ato nga event, kay nagkasila na. So, muna yung giingon nga, dali ra kuno ilang love story. So, we are here now. Not to mention they are both declined. A certain laag di ay nato one time namila ang barkada. Pariyo silang nibad-ibad. Kabaw mo asa sila. Nag-date silang duha. O di ba? Wala pa di kabaw nga uyab na sila ato, di ba? So, here we are celebrating the love they have to each other. Alex, Joe, love each other and protect the peace and happiness. I am very much happy that you are now a family. Looking forward sa inyo and kung ana nato atong barkada ng Little Joe o Little Alex. Last one. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, our maid of honor, Ronaline Tabar. Now let's hear wishes and words coming from our best man. We have Enric Jun Pidaria.
So, may hapon sa tanan, Harry. So, may gani ako gipasagda ng agtang kay mao nang init kay karon. Oh, nagkurog no. I am honored to be here in front of you to be the first to congratulate Dili Day, pero ang pare may nagundang nina. So, dili ko istorya kay ano, introvert ko nya magkurog ko basta na sa daghang kay tao. So, it started in college when kami ni Joe naka-amigo yun, kauban sa kanang mga barkada na ako dara. Kuan hantod nagasuod mig maayo pag third year college dito nag-start ang pagka-amigo gyud maayo ni Joe. Ano man kay lingaw ko ato kay kuwang kani sila tulo na sila ka amigo nya. Hapit na sila kompleto sila thesis ba ako luoy kay kog naam dito kay lako na kay walay mo ampun ako ba. Patay magbong gitaan ni ba kay wa man tay kan kaupan thesis mo to magkay giampon ko nila nga mo to naka-amigo sa aming maayo kay tungkol sa thesis. Siyempre, thesis, ate-ate ka naman ng thesis, good na kami inom. Dito to kay Kuan sa Toledo, Kanang samtang butas ang thesis niya kuan padung na mi kuan kanang relax ato kay gikan inom anas yung dili ko matug kay kuan magkuhod ko na siya kuno. Ya pag kuan mga alas 12 tuog la medyo una na mi. Taon mga kuan 5 minutos dikrik wag ang mayri kay matug ko rik. Then I witnessed how things gone wrong when the first time Joe was heartbroken. Mo siguro ako ang gihimog bisma ni Joe kay ako man to yang kuan first na naduulan katong kuan heartbroken siya. So kita yun ko laon sa to pagkasawi si Joe. So nato one time nga ako gihagdan si Joe og kanang kuan. Ako gihagdan si Joe og laan para ma-divert yung attention ba. Yeah. While we were going padong sa among kuan destination na accident si Joe sa kuan sa RP ni. Eh ba, mama ni Joe sige top ano ni kuan. So after atong kuan, after atong time asa siya gikuan kana itambagan, pa-relax kana pakalma siya kuan para makakuan siya, makauyab siya, bundal gid ba? Kaya para kuan yun ba? Para bawi gid sa times nga heartbroken siya. So thankful sa Minilin kay iya gi-introduce si Alex ang barakanda. Naman na to kuan outing nag-get together may si Alex kuyog sa niya. Sila do magitopo ato kay ba may single ni sila do pa. Oh. Ya. Gingnan magani kong Joe ato kay ako moya pa man sa gusto kong kuan. Moya pa to na. Moya pa sa ko ato kay murag nag-una ko panguyab, nya kan ni sila ni kuan murag kompetensya ba. Mo to ging na kong Joe. Wa pa kay sugot rik naya sa dimoy. So mo to nya I witness how they care for each other and pinangga ni Alex si Joe po ni Alex. Yeah. Congrats for both of you and may you live and create happy memories and have a family very soon. Thank you.
Nagkurog pa ito siya ito. Sige lang, Dasman, inikurog ni mo ako rin pakalma ni mo.